Several senators expressed concern over the DND and AFP's deal with Dito Telecommunity to allow the firm to put towers within military bases all over the country. Do you think na meron pong basihan yung concerns ng Senate, or sa palagay po ninyo parang wala naman po talaga dapat ikatakot dito?
The DND secretary texted me about it and said he doesn't know anything about it and he is going to investigate and ask the concerned people involved in the deal. So we'll wait for his findings.
Sir, kasi Senator Francis Pangilinan, minention niya that the DND and NSA Hermes Esperon has already expressed concern over the location of POGOs near military bases, and now the AFP is already making a deal with Dito Telecommunity, yung consortium dito kasama yung isang Chinese firm, and expressed concerns na baka daw po magamit yun for espionage.
I'm sure the DND secretary and Mr. Speron will be undertaking measures to respond to the concerns.
Because of, if ever, sir, na may basis yung mga concerns na ganito, kasi nagkapirmahan na can the AFP, parang pwede ba nilang iwanan itong deal na ito?
Certainly. If it involves national security, then this government can do something about it.